The world is moving very fast into space, and air power's unique characteristics of speed, height, reach, ubiquity, flexibility, and responsiveness makes it a weapon of first choice of today's political leaders. That is what we have seen since the Gulf War I. However, the modern day wars are going to be far more different than all previous wars. Therefore, Ukraine war is not to be considered as a modern day war, because future wars are going to be fought and contested in aerospace. But the concern world has is on its legality. Should space be weaponized or militarized, or it has already been done? That's what the big question that Session 4 is looking answers from our distinguished speakers.